promise. Drew's so subconscious. He has no idea what he doing in science. These sig figs that he's rounding look so funny, but he won't round down because he'll be looked at funny. Now, tell me that ain't imprecise. The concept of math is not always nice. Drew in year 3 years ain't picked a career. He's like, forget it. I'll just stay down here for my year.
It's 5, he gives me enough to round her up of new airs, cause we probably teacher didn't really care. Figs so precious with the peer pressure, couldn't afford another F, so we retake the test. Figs so long they look like Drew's feet, so he rounds them off, now they look like 2 figs. He be dealing with some issues that you can't believe, taking a white male, determined not to fail. Because they hate us, round cause they degrade us. If you trying to back your trust from Wagger, you gotta round up or down. Even if you fail, you still a baddie on a horse. I'm telling you all how to round. I'm telling you all how to round. Man, I promise that I'm decimal confident. That's why you always see me with at least one of my calculators, sig, figs, and rounding. They're driving you crazy. I hope you round them. Past that for Stacey, then I spent 4 hours with them. Just to be like, Drew, you ain't good at this. You can't be rounding past the smallest digit without some help from me and my high self-esteem. It seems you're not living the sig fig dream. Up of the lowest self-esteem, the ugliest sigs do the prettiest thing for the sigs to round in diamond rings. How to round? I'm telling you all how to round. Oh. I say freak these sig figs, it's how I treat them. You on your way to ought to fail, but I can't buy freedom. We see a lot of figs, but you don't really need them. Things we rhyme to cover up what's inside, cause they made us hate ourselves. Love thyself, that's why I'm hollering. Where all your help at? Wag or where's Nike? Drew can't do crap. And the sig figs rounded off all of that, but they ain't even gonna act up for you. Cause freak it, I went to Gunner with nothing, no clue. Before I had no idea, I wouldn't do it again. Cause I wanna be on a mini horse who can't bark pushing a Benz. One act waggerific, like it's all terrific. I got a couple past due grades, I won't get specific. I got a problem with rounding when the last digit. We all a little special, I'm just first to a minute. When they all you got to round, I'm telling you all you got to round. When we all got to round, I'm telling you all how to round. When we got to round, I'm telling you all how to round. When we all round down. I'm telling you all, it all rounds down.
Mantissa. If you don't understand the message this video is telling you, then I'm here to explain how to round sig figs. When the number is 5 or more, you round up. And when it's 4 or less, you keep it the same. Don't round down, actually. That would be stupid. And when you multiply or divide, you round to how many the least amount of numbers, or at least amount of sig figs the number has on the smallest number. That's how many sig figs you should have in your answer. And when you add and subtract, when you're trying to round, you round to the smallest place value.
I can't keep working like this. This grave ship is like a slave ship.